hell. Oh, that's fucking scary. Hey, yo, welcome to Sunday Gun Day. This is Guitar Town Guns. Alright, it's a lousy, shitty day here in Middle Tennessee, and we're probably not going to be out here very long, but we decided we're going to blow some shit up, because that's fun, you know, at the very least. So what we've got down here, let me step out here and get that. See if you can see it. There's shit on my thing. Down there is this old video game that we couldn't get rid of. Couldn't even sell it. Couldn't even give it away. So now we're just gonna blow the shit out of it. We got some Tannerite down in there. And so stay tuned and plug your ears because it's gonna be pretty loud. Are we ready? Fire in the hole! That's a miss.
That's a pretty good one.
That was fucking awesome.
Wow.
Fucked up my swing set.
Video kill the radio star. Alright, let's go down and take a look. And we're live. Let's see. Part of that.
I hope you're not wanting me to clean this up, Terry.
There's not much left of this. Holy shit.
That's what it did to my poor swing set.
I know.
Dude, it's you put 4 pounds in there. What do you think is going to happen?
It fucked up the swing set pretty bad. We shoot at these little steel targets hanging from it. Oh my God. It's everywhere, man. This thing survived somewhat. I mean, there's pieces of it over here. Pieces of it over here.
So,
Pieces
this
of it
was
over
all
here.
straight, huh?
Did any of it go over here?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, the blast radius on that motherfucker is huge. At least for what it was.
This is about probably 30 feet from it. You got pieces of it here, pieces of it over there, pieces of it there. Like I said, it fucked the swing set up. Alright, time to get the welder out. Stay tuned, folks.